Hi, I'm Corinne Korbacher with Red Carpet Report. We're at the Secret Room Gifting Suite for the MTV Movie Awards.
Hello.
So go ahead and tell me a little bit about your product. You do a lot of charity work?
Yeah, so what this is, it's a collaborative line between Jennifer and I. She owns a gem collection, and I'm Melissa Liu. And it's a whole eco-friendly line dedicated to raising money for charities throughout the nation. And like our name says, the Love Project, Jen Liu, the Love Project, it's to spread love through charitable donations.
Fantastic. And any recent charitable donations that you just donated to or attended?
Yes, we just did an event with Becky's Fund, which is an organization against domestic violence. So 50% of the proceeds went to Becky's Fund. So it was an amazing event, and we just look forward to partnering up with as many wonderful charities as possible.
Fantastic. And how long have you been in business?
We started February 14th.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
What a great day to make jewelry, seriously. And everything's painted, hand-painted, and made by hand. Well, everything's really, really gorgeous. Anything upcoming events that you want to notify us about?
Not at the moment, but we are looking to partner up for more charities, so contact us if you want any more information. The best way to do that is through our website. It's love.melissaliu.com, or you can go on Facebook, and it's the Love Project on Facebook.
Perfect. Thank you, guys. I'll spread the word for sure.